What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change a tire without using this or this. This, if you don't have those two, if you don't have those two items, then I'm going to show you how to change the tire using one of these. Good old-fashioned wrench. 13, 16-bit. Get you a big wrench. Slide it on there. Voila. Then you will need a torque. That's what I use as my torque. Good old-fashioned iron fence chain. It's just a big old bar from a fence. What you would do, you get that on there. Now good and tight. Use this as your torque. Come on down. Go to each one. Come on down. Just like that. Come on down. Get good and loose in there. Like that. Good old fashioned. Use a wrench, man. You got this. Use a wrench. You got this. You see that? Easy, easy, easy. All you need to take off a tire, and just like that. All you need, man. Just like that. Take off every bolt you need. All right, man. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.